Hi learners, I'm going to do this video quickly with you so that I can show you how to access your IXL plan, your skills plan, and in that way you're able to achieve the percentage of practice that is required. Now, if you look on this skills plan, this is one of the learners, and this is the learner Ahmed, and I chose his skill plan to use so that I can show it to you, and then you're able to follow. Now, what you're going to do is if you go up to learning, you go into learning, there's a drop down menu, and you will see that we have IXL plans. Now, what you do is go into IXL plans. And in the IXL plans, you will see that it gives you your own skill plan, right? So there are the skill plans you have to then select. So our focus right now is on language. So I want you to go into your language. And on your language, you will see that it will show you your RIT score 198 to 204. That is what Ahmed has achieved. And all of you, all of these obviously have achieved different scores. And what has happened was that the IXL has set up a skills plan for you to follow. So what you would do is you would go down this list and you would follow each item on that list. So I would suggest then to go to the first open one and then to move down like that. Okay, if you see that, if you've done well, for instance, this is one of the skills that Ahmed probably has to revisit once he's done with the others. But if you look down on the list, you'll see that he's done very well with identifying complete subjects of a sentence. So it's all about it. With your results for each of those skills will be reflected on the skill itself. What I suggest you do is go through all of them first, and then once you have any others that you need to then go back and master, then I suggest that you do it afterwards. But for now, I'd like to see us just using this very simple approach where we go to our skills plan and we start making sure that we covered all the skills on the skills plan, on the recommended skills plan. So please, boys, we need to prioritize this. In any of your free time, make sure that you are busy working with your IXL so that you're able to then achieve the necessary practice and mastering skills percentages. Thank you. Enjoy.